G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time once again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. 4 and 20 butter chicken pies. 100% Australian chicken in a delicious Indian inspired curry gravy wrapped in golden pastry. Crikey, Struth O'Malley, that sounds alright. I do love me some butter chicken. It's one of my favourite Indian feasts. But I'm wondering how much chicken is actually in this pie. Well, let's find out. Oh. Well, ingredients, flour, then chicken, minimum 25%. And then it's got some all other stuff in there that, well, it's got some salt and garlic and, some glaze. Oh yeah, I love glaze. Now, if these things taste even half decent, I'm going to be wanting to eat about 50 of these a day. So I wonder how many of these I could actually eat in a day and stay within my average daily intake. Well, energy, 1800 kilojoules, which means I could probably only eat 5 of these every day. I hope they don't taste really, really awesome, because I'll need at least 10. And, well, it shows here that it's 10.8% fat. Woohoo! With 3% sugar. 10% fat. That's probably full of all the ghee that they use to cook it. That's if there's any ghee in it. Anyway, let's crack it open and see what it looks like. Well, there we go. Well, that looks alright. It's like a meat pie. As we call them in Australia. A meat pie. Oh, it's got some yellow stuff on top. I wonder if that's extra butter. Now, it has got some cooking instructions on the back, but I'm not going to be using those today. I'm going to be using my favourite meat pie reheater. The old air fryer. Now, normally I put these in here for like 180 degrees for 25 minutes. I might drop this today to 170 and drop it up to 23 minutes. I'll give that a crack anyway, see if that works. Oh, alright, that's ready. And there it is. Well, it's smelling alright from here. Let's see what the guts look like. Oh wow. As soon as you open this up, you can really smell that butter chicken flavour. It's kind of a turmeric looking and smelling flavour. But the guts of it here, well, it doesn't look like there's any like big chunks of chicken in there. It just looks like a mixture of, well, whatever it is, bit of glaze and whatever else was in it. But we'll whack the lid back on and give it a crack. Now, this did have an interesting looking crust on it. I wonder what those flavours are on there. I'm not too sure, but that pastry is really good. Alright. Now, before you say where's the tomato sauce, I don't know what you're supposed to put on an Indian butter chicken pie. Maybe some garlic naan? Tamarind? Some ghee? I don't know. If you know, let me know down below, because I don't know. But let's go. Not exactly doing some Bollywood dance moves along my taste buds, that's for sure. There seems to be like some sort of turmeric-y sort of whatever makes it taste for how it does flavour there. I'm not too sure about this. It's definitely got that taste of yellow flavour. If you know what I mean, you'll know what I mean. I think this pie is going to need some Aussieing up. Except for some reason in my fridge I don't even have any dead horse, so I might British it up with some Worcestershire. We all know the Brits and the Indians have a long history, so maybe this might help. Let's see. Oh, only just. Okay, recommendation time. What do I reckon? Well, I don't know that the Indians will find this butter chicken quite up to their tasting. I know that's one of their really popular dishes, and well, I'd like an Indian to try this so I know exactly what they think about it. For me, it was alright, but, well, for one, I can't taste any chicken in it. For two, well, I can't see any chicken in it. For three, it's got this sort of too much onion or this whatever makes it yellow tamarind flavour or something in there that is a little bit overpowering, and I don't know if it would suit the Australian tastes. But what would I know? I'm just some Aussie who has had many a butter chicken though, and does this taste like the sort of butter chicken that I would like? Probably not. But the more I seem to eat it, the more tastier it's sort of getting. But would I buy more of this if I saw it in the supermarket? Well, probably not. I think I'd just stick to the classic Australian beef pie, maybe a steak and pepper or something. A steak and mushroom even, that'd be good. But as far as chicken pies go, it tastes alright, but I probably wouldn't get one again. I don't know, have you had the butter chicken pie before? What did you reckon about it? If you've had one, let me know what you thought about yours. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. I eat a pie. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger